Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into non-farm payrolls, or NFP, and how you can trade this major economic news even if you're just starting out. Trust me, mastering NFP trading can seriously up your forex game. First off, what exactly is NFP? Non-farm payrolls is a monthly report released by the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. It measures the number of jobs added or lost in the U.S. economy, excluding the farming sector. This report is crucial because it gives a snapshot of the overall health of the U.S. economy. So, when is this NFP report released? The data comes out on the first Friday of every month at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Make sure you mark your calendar because this can be a game changer for your trading strategy. Now, let's talk about which currency pairs are affected. Since it's a U.S. economic report, the U.S. dollar pairs are directly impacted. Think of pairs like Euro to U.S. dollar, Pound sterling to US dollar, and US dollar to Japanese yen. But it doesn't stop there. Other currencies can also see volatility due to global economic correlations. Alright, now for the exciting part, how to trade the NFP. There are a few strategies you can use, but I'll cover the basics to get you started. One simple approach is the breakout strategy. In the hours leading up to the NFP release, you'll often see the market consolidating. Traders are waiting for the big news. When the report is released, you can expect a sharp move in one direction. If the data is better than expected, the US dollar usually strengthens, and if it's worse, the dollar weakens. You can place pending orders above and below the consolidation range to catch the breakout, no matter which direction it goes. Another strategy is to wait for the initial reaction and then trade the retracement. Often you'll see a big spike followed by a pullback. This pullback can be an opportunity to enter the market at a better price. Just make sure your stop-loss levels are tight to manage your risk. Speaking of risk management, this is crucial when trading NFP. The market can be extremely volatile during this time, so never trade without a stop-loss. Also, consider reducing your usual position size to account for the increased risk. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you're new, start by observing how the market reacts to NFP releases. Use demo accounts to test your strategies without risking real money. And there you have it. NFP trading may seem intimidating at first, but with a bit of practice and a solid strategy, you can leverage this powerful economic report to your advantage. Keep learning, stay disciplined, and soon you'll be trading NFP like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more trading tips. Until next time, happy trading!